k's an hour. We've got 2,111 tonne, or 671 metres, that's included in the locos, and 29 wagons. Now you'll probably notice the amps are sitting steady. Speedo's fluctuating between 18 to 20. Speedo could be a little bit out. She's going all right. I'll take my foot off the sand and I'll watch the load meter here. As soon as she starts flicking, I'm not taking any chances. And here's the bad phone. On this locomotive, all locomotives have got it. They go from 50 seconds to 55 seconds to a minute. They'll flash, it's better for Kevin to show you that one over there. I won't push it till it flashes over there. Then I'll acknowledge it, or Kevin can acknowledge it and show you when it flashes out. On the rail, Bevan might be able to pick it up and show you that this is where all our buttons, here's our buttons going off up there now, see it? That whistle you hear was the video going off. Flashes first, then the video. That's the safety device on this locomotive. As you can see on the down line, that round cylinder there is grease, and as the train goes over it pushes a little lever down, it squirts grease, and each wheel goes past and greases the track, so when it goes around it don't wear too much onto the rail, and the loud scream you hear. I'm still pulling 800 amps, around about 18. I don't try to insult the girls. All these locomotives are girls. They're all like women, very sentimental to run around with. Here's my first grease pot here. I've got my foot on the sand now, trying to see the grease between the pot and going up a little bit, that's grease. If you watch your load meter, she might slip, she might hang on. But I've got my foot on the sand. Not going too bad. I'm not going to take it off yet. I'll power, about 800 amps. Here's our next sweet spot here. Coming up onto the right. I'm going to apply the sand here too again. You can see the needle fluctuating just a little bit. Not much. They're still pulling real good. For 2,111 tons. I've been watching the exhaust from the other locos to make sure we've got all locos working. Another good way is to find it if you've got a tree hanging over the side of the track near the stanchions. As the locos go past, if you can't see it on a still day, they'll blow the tree up like that. You can tell if you've got 4 working, 2 working, or 3. So, be pulling 2,000 odd ton up here down, the 4 of them are working. We're going to go through this tunnel. As we go through it, we're going to start picking up speed because we're just about on the best part of the brow. And if you watch the speedo and your amps will drop down and your speedo will increase. We're nearly up to 25 k's an hour and sitting on about 600 amps. Girls are working well. See where she changed transition there now and you felt it? Right? Brought over the change transition to 22. The amps dropped down to about 200 amps, the green one.